Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix high page title in Elementor WordPress. If you've been working on your website design and want a cleaner, more professional look without that default page title showing up at the top, this quick fix will help you achieve exactly that. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section and click on All Pages. Here you'll see a complete list of every page on your website. Take a moment to locate the specific page where you want to hide the title. When you find it, click on Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. This powerful page builder gives you full control over your page's appearance and layout. Now that the Elementor editor has loaded, direct your attention to the upper left panel. You'll notice a gear icon which represents page settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This is where you can access all the important configuration options for your individual page. Once you click it, a settings panel will appear on the left side of your screen. Next, scroll down through the settings options until you locate the section labeled Hide Title. This is the key setting we need to adjust. When you find it, simply click Yes. By enabling this option, you're instructing Elementor to remove the page title from displaying on the front end of your website. This gives your page a much cleaner appearance and allows your content to take center stage without any distracting default titles. Finally, and this is really important, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the button beside Publish at the upper right corner of the page and click it to ensure all your modifications are properly saved. Without saving, none of these changes will take effect on your live website. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the page title in Elementor WordPress, giving your page a more polished and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.